Hello friends, in this video I will show how to take screenshot in Microsoft Excel. So there are two methods. Click on Insert and click on Screenshot. Here you will see available windows. Select any available window and you can take any particular part. You can adjust the size. So screen clipping, or you can select any available window. And you can make changes as a size, color, transparency for this screenshot. Once you double click, so this property will be open. Here you can make more changes. Another method, you need screenshot for this Excel worksheet, like you need any particular part of this Excel worksheet. So press Windows key, then Shift, then S on your keyboard. Windows, Shift and S. Here you can take full screen mode, and also you can select any particular part. You will access in this picture folder and then open the screen shots folder. So here you will see this all available screenshots. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.